What's the bad magic number error? What's the bad magic number import error in Python, and how do I fix it? The only thing I can find online suggests this is caused by compiling a Python file and then trying to use it with the wrong version of Python. In my case, however, the file seems to import fine sometimes but not others, and I'm not sure why. The information Python's providing in the traceback isn't particularly helpful, which is why I was asking here, but here it is in case it helps.
The magic number comes from Unix-type systems where the first few bytes of a file held a marker indicating the file type. Python puts a similar marker into its Python files when it creates them. Then the Python interpreter makes sure this number is correct when loading it. Anything that damages this magic number will cause your problem. This includes editing the Python file or trying to run a Python from a different version of Python, usually later than your interpreter. If they are your Python files, just delete them and let the interpreter recompile the Python files. On Unix-type systems, that could be something as simple as or. If they are not yours, you'll have to either get the Python files for recompilation, or an interpreter that can run the Python files with that particular magic value. One thing that might be causing the intermittent nature. The Python that's causing the problem may only be imported under certain conditions. It's highly unlikely it would import sometimes. You should check the actual full stack trace when the import fails. As an aside, the first word of all my 2.5.1 are 251 column 54863, Python files is 62131, 2.6.1 are 261 column 67517, is 62161. The list of all magic numbers can be found in python/import.c, reproduced here for completeness, current as at the time the answer was posted, it may have changed since then.
Deleting all Python files will fix bad magic number error.
Loading a Python 3 generated .py file with Python 2 also causes this error.
Take the Python file to a Windows machine. Use any hex editor to open this Python file. I used freeware hexedit. Now read hex value of first 2 bytes. In my case, these were O3F3. Open Calc and convert its display mode to Programmer, Scientific in XP, to see hex and decimal conversion. Select hex from radio button. Enter values as second byte first and then the first byte IF303. Now click on DEC, decimal, radio button. The value displayed is 1 which is correspond to the magic number aka version of Python. So, considering the table provided in earlier reply, 1.5 equals and GT, 20,121 equals and GT, 4E99 so files would have first byte as 99 and second as 4E. 1.6 equals and GT, 50,428 equals and GT, C4FC so files would have first byte as FC and second as C4.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.